akekho ku level yethu.
He is not in our level.
Akekho ku level yabantu.
He is not in our
Akekho
level.
na ku level yengelosi.
He is not in the
Akekho ku level yamakhosi.
He is not in the
Akekho ku
level
level yothixo bakhona
He is not in
emhlabeni.
the level of other
Akekho
gods.
ku level ye-giant abantu
He is
esibahloniphayo.
not in the level of
Yena
giants.
yedwa he doesn't have any equal.
Akanakho
He's the
ukulinganiswa.
most high God.
UThixo ongaphezu kwabo bonke.
Ngaphandle kwakhe akukho nto
Without
ivelileyo.
him there is nothing that
He's the
made.
creator of heaven and earth.
Ungumdali wezulu.
Akanaso isiqala, akanaso isiphelo. Azange azalwe, azange adalwe.
Not
He is the self-existent God. He's full of glory.
udwele lusuku.
Mehlo akhe atshawuza amalanga
Eyes
ayo.
are blazing fire.
Akekho jonga yena phi.
No one sees him and
He's the most holy God.
uThixo ophakemeyo.
Ngasemaqaleni akhe they are full of seraphims
There are seraphim
and cherubims that are full of glory.
that are
Abakwazi nabo ukumbona, abakwazi ukumjonga ingelosi. Esihlala eduze kwakhe.
those that are close to
Asikwazi
God.
ukumjonga.
They cannot look at his
To
eyes.
Isaiah,
In the book of Isaiah,
uthi they have 6 wings.
uthi anamaphiko ayi-6.
Kodwa ndithanda le ndawo ithi
I love this part.
ngamanye amaphiko
With other wings,
iingelosi zizivala ubuso.
they're covering their faces.
Kuthiwa ikerubhi limemeza
The
kwelinye.
cherubims are outshouting
Bazalwane
each
bona nikhona.
other.
Njengabantu aba-right.
Am I in the right
Kuthiwa
place?
lithe elinye ungcwele.
The other cherubim says you are holy,
Liphendule nelinye.
and the other one
Lithi
also answers and says you are
libe selithi sikwankulunkulu
And the word of God says,
uthi John uma ngabe ibheka le throne of God
when he looks at the throne of
kule
God,
24 elders mamhloko
the 24 elders,
ziphonsa phansi imqhele.
they lay down their crowns.
Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands,
Easy, award,
countless angels,
engelosi.
they worship him day and night. They tell him he's holy and say he's holy and say he's holy and say he's holy. It is uNkulunkulu.
The word of God says,
Izulu isihlalo sakhe
the heaven is
sohamba.
the place where he sits,
Then umhlaba losikuwo,
and the earth
it is his footstool.
yindawo yokubeka inyawo zakhe.
Kodwa his throne is full of glory.
Ithrone yakhe igcwele lusuku.
Asikhonze isithixo.
We do not worship idols.
Worship God,
Sinqula uThixo,
the creator of heaven and earth.
umdali wezulu nomhlaba.
uNkulunkulu basithi sikhona,
When the God that when
he
we
remains God with or without us.
uhlale nguThixo,
Akasonti ngathi uzaphelelisa ubuthixani bakhe.
he will never end in his God. And
Uthi manditshe gugu lethu uba asimenzele ifavor ngokumnqula.
we are not doing God favor for serving
But
him.
it is such a privilege.
Yinqaba, yinyweba.
Senzelwe inceba uba sibe ngabantwana
It is
bakaThixo.
the mercy of God
It
that
is
has
not by works.
It is not in the
It is
midst of
not by good